So, Eden?
Eden Nature Park is located roughly 20 kilometers south of Davao City. It's a place where you can indulge in an authentic mountain experience, or simply just enjoy the cool mountain air. For us, it's a good option to have a quick getaway from the city.
Hello again from our mountain girl. Yeah, that's our mountain girl. So dati, we're gonna be in the beach, but now we're in the mountain.
Due to this pandemic, there's really nothing much you can do around here. No, most of their amenities are actually closed. So we just decided to have an early morning walk in our pajamas, because why not?